what's up fam? So I'm just chilling in the car. That's what I'm busy doing. I am currently on the way to Botswana and I feel really awkward right now vlogging, so if I seem a little bit weird, a little bit like, oh my god, people are looking at me. Obviously I haven't been doing this for a while and I'm gonna be stressing a little bit, and I am in such a mellow, chilled mood. You can tell I've got no makeup on, I'm breaking out. Stress is getting to me, but I'm getting there. I'm pretty keen to show you guys this experience, share it with you, and bring you guys along on my journey. And I'm with two really amazing people right now, and that is how this whole experience is literally possible. Botswana, here we come. Let's go. Mwah. We're officially here. Let's give you the grand tour of the place. Guys, I am loving this. There's beautiful soft clean towels, an outdoor shower, indoor shower, I wish I brought my makeup just so I could do it here, but I did not bring any makeup. Beautiful view. Yeah, guys, this place is really beautiful. It feels really nice and open. All the glass doors and everything make this seem so spacious, and also because of the thatch roof, it feels so amazing. I'm gonna put this fan on, get some air going in this room. I cannot wait to wake up to this in the morning. This is gonna be amazing.
When you're feeling down on your luck, you're tired and stuck, enough is enough. You gotta pick yourself up, cause life gets hard. It might.
Troy, how's it going back there?
That's a start, all I know is that I love making art. Straight to my heart, keep up my guard and always work hard, yeah. It's hard to have faith when you had a taste of this awful place. And if that's the case, you're sitting there sick and tired of the rat race. The fast pace has you thinking this a bad place. You just wanna blast off into outer space. I get it, trust me, I've been there, just wait. It gets better if you take control of your fate. So stop waiting and get going your own way. These broken dreams and these hopeless teens, how it's supposed to be, yeah. Are all these broken dreams and these
Ooh.
That is Kaklam. Gas cloud just goes across, it doesn't actually. No, it's coming down.
Coming down? Oh god.
Oh yes! My game.
Shit. I don't like snakes.
Please hold this.
Can you see him?
I'll have a look now.
First game drive done and dusted. That was hectic. I think we got back at like after 10, maybe 11. Finally had a big breakfast, feeling alive, feeling functional, feeling amazing. We got to see so many amazing things. I'm just excited to share a little bit of every single game drive with you. It's so beautiful. It feels like you're in these safari forests with so many different types of animals, and you just feel like you're sharing this beautiful space with wildlife, and you actually feel amazing. Obviously I would have loved to have tried to hold the python. Obviously it's not what you should be doing. You know, I love animals, so being here, being around all of them, it's so nice. Having a wonderful time. Honestly, this room is amazing. The view is always stunning, and I'm living. Yeah. I'll chat more as the vlog goes on.
I opened up my eyes to the world, I opened up my mind to it now. I opened up my heart to a girl, and hope she doesn't tear it all down. And like a little strand of her hair, a piece of fur will always be found on my pillow in the shirts that I wear. Her life was always my favorite call my place home, 'cause we never felt alone. You're the only one I want, that's the only thing I know. Sometimes I don't wanna wake up.
Hey guys, it is officially day 2 being in the bush. Fam, this thing, no. This is not what I want to deal with at like 5 in the morning. Like literally it's 5 o'clock and I can't. It's too early for this shit.
Wake up, early mornings, late nights, hopping on a different flight. What's the meaning of life, ayy? Wake up, same-ish, different day. Make a wish, call it pray. Am I sick, am I okay, ayy? Stay up, late nights, still in pain. In my mind, it decays as I try to make a change. See the sun, see it set, feel some pain, feel regret. All the same, what is next? I'm to blame for my head, Life, it changes in many different ways, yeah.
Please make me sad though, that looks so painful.
Or you go and make a name, yeah. Listen to hate or help someone who's in pain, yeah. We all want love and we all wanna be great, yeah. It's not enough, so we keep running the race, yeah. This life is tough if you let it be that way, yeah. Sit back and love your own journey every day. I got a deep thoughts in my bed, got me.
Guys, it is real. It is Friday today. As you can tell, I'm tired. That spider this morning was just a little bit too much for me, I'm not gonna lie. This is a shit long segment. I'm sorry, but I'm keen to get some sleep. I have to be up at 4:45 in the morning again. Anyway, so much love.
Be known, I just wanna be home. Feel like I'm all alone and I need to do it on my own. I just wanna be known, I just wanna be home. Feel like I'm all alone and I need to do it on my own, yeah. I live for music, yeah, I love to do it, yeah. It's therapeutic and I needed to get through it, yeah. I keep on moving, yeah, I keep on doing, yeah. I keep improving so people can feel it too and go on and fix their lives one decision at a time, one vision, one...
Oh, this is so much fun. Just a little bit about me.
Take me away to a much better place. Yeah, we could run away. Yeah, we could go today. Just take me away where we all feel the same. Where we all feel okay. Where we all feel no pain. Yeah, I don't wanna stay down no more. Hit me with the pain and the stab as I grow. Turn up the mic gain as I grab what I know. I want the right fame just to pass you my flow. I wanna teach the masses like classes, just out of practice, so maybe you could pass this class called life. We live then we die, so we might as well try. Not only get by before you're in the sky. I've been running long enough, think it's time now for me to face it all. Every second going by, I'm losing time now. It's time to take it on. I'm okay, I'm okay, yeah. There's no pain, yeah, there's no pain, yeah. I'm okay, I'm okay, yeah.
But I think you might have come across an elephant many times.
No, that's what I'm saying. Elephants, lions.
Uncle Shawnee, I got a new nickname for
Cheers, Kazi.
for Amina.
Yeah.
Calling her Miss Ice Age now.
Why Miss Ice Age?
Because she reminds me of a character from the Ice Age movies.
But he won't tell me who it is, so it's like very annoying. This is so nice. But pretty. Please don't tell me I remind you of Sid. Do I remind you of Sid?
No.
I've been running long enough, think it's time now for me to face it all. Every second going by, I'm losing time now. It's time to take it on. I've been running long enough, think it's time now for me to face it all. Every second going by, I'm losing time now. It's time to take it on. Reverse, back to the curse, hit me where it hurt.
You know what I mean? Troy, if we die.
It's got to outlive you.
How's this guy? Like he's literally sitting right in front of me. So annoying. Honestly, it's very pretty. Literally, it feels like they're following me. The hyenas. Troy's gone to go catch a turtle. He's like just sticking his hands in there. What if there's like a crocodile behind him?
He's got it. Can you believe it?
He's literally gonna throw it on me. Watch. No, I'm so scared.
You guys said I wouldn't catch it. Yo, he stinks, eh?
Yes.
Oh, a little fella. He stinks, eh? Yes. There were two. I can catch the other one.
No. No animals eat them. You know why?
Because they stink.
Because they stink.
Yes. Still smells better than Ramina, though. It's not going to poke its head out anytime soon, though.
Does that thing close and open?
Yeah.
That's so crazy. You can see the little feet. Turtle. I think he's going into the sand.
I'm still shocked I caught it,
Something growling from there.
Something? Growling.
This is when we get back in the vehicle.
Could be that line.
I look your face. You look concerned.
That's interesting. Let's go and look.
Yeah, we don't run from danger. We run towards it.
Only thing that can growl is...
You hear a growl and you run towards it. It's definitely heard my scream of fear. Puncture.
Yeah.
Right by the leopard as well. No, Troy, I want to take the tire.
Good coverage for them.
Yes. No, man, I want to carry the tire.
Can't even pick it up, eh? Can't even pick it up. Can't even pick it up, eh?
I can. Just casually changing a tire while the leopards are just down the road. Sean's taking photos of us before our death, you know? Just casual. Isaac's helping us try to stay alive in the wilderness.
Tire change like this, eh? One lady doing a model.
Wrong way. You gotta pick it up.
It's hard, I've been scarred from out fighting. Waking up, starving, starved, I keep grinding. 6 a.m., life isn't hard, I keep reciting. It feels like I might fall apart, I keep trying. Sun's coming up and
Like we could ever be at peace with one another.
I'm sick of hearing and seeing all of the people whining. You want something good, then you better go put the time in. You get what you pay for, and time is money, we climbing. It's prime time, it's my time, I got it. I'll be just fine, my mind, you can't stop it. Give me a vine to climb and I'll top it. Grow yourself a spine, got mine, that's a promise. Take a deep breath and head towards the darkness. The light at the end wasn't put there by no novice. My hand I extend, so welcome to my office. No time to repent, we're building and not stopping. We're gonna take it slow, and we gon' make it out this hole. And ain't nobody stopping us, no. So watch me as I go, watch me as I grow. And we ain't gonna take it slow, and we gon' make it out this hole. And ain't nobody stopping us, no. So watch me as I go, watch me as I grow. Yeah, I'm the fucking show.
She's so cute. It looks like a puppy.
There she goes again. It's every time we start the car.
Oh, dwarf. Oh,
Are you okay?
Yeah, got a lack of video.
Still there?
Yeah, he's staring right at us.
yeah, he's getting a little spooked. You can't really see him in the videos, so it's saying out.
I think there's more than one.
There's definitely more than one. So this big bull was right by my bedroom. Firstly, I wasn't such a wuss. Okay, so I thought that Troy was outside my bathroom. It's gonna scare me. And then actually it was this elephant right outside the window. Thank you for lighting. Oh, fuck, I can't see. But then it wasn't Troy. It was this huge bull. And I literally can't, like the biggest elephant ever. And I had to run all the way back here to the camp so I can eat. And now the elephant is drinking from the swimming pool. It's like crazy. I can't even believe I ran all the way here, and it was like so close to me. And this is wild, like you don't even know what they're gonna do. Like they could do anything. So he could have charged at me or something. I could have died, and I didn't. So I'm alive. Don't take chances in the wild, guys. Don't do what I'm doing. Be smarter. Don't be brave. Don't do stupid things. Wait, Troy, give me the flashlight. I'm gonna light you from here. He thinks he's such a big boy now. Troy's feeling overly confident, huh?
There's more. There's another big one right here.
I mean, I was feeling way too confident when I ran here.
One large one. Oh, there's another big one.
That is when you know you love food way too much.
When you're feeling down on your luck, you're tired and stuck, enough is enough, you gotta wait. Smoking dreams and these hopeless teens, how it's supposed to